Hi everyone, welcome to lesson number 4 in my C++ basics tutorial. In this lesson, this is kind of the part 2 of the last lesson. I'm going to expand on the integer variable that I've introduced, and I'm just going to show you a couple of things you can do with it. So if we follow on from last lesson, we have all this code set up. We have an integer called x, which has a value of 9 assigned to it. For example, I'll just show you can output more than one integer. So we can add an integer to it. You can either go int y like this, or if you're lazy, you can just do it a lot easier by going comma and then putting y under the integers. Okay, and then we get we have to assign a value. So y equals 3. Okay, so there you go, assigned another value, and then cout, what we'll have to do is do another 2 of these less than signs, then place the y in there. And if we compile and run it now, we should compile it, and we should have a program which displays, there we go, 93. Okay, so everything's working as it should. Another nifty thing you can do is you can kind of add them, because they're variables, they're number based, so you can play around with them. So I'm going to introduce a third value of z. Okay, so with the value of z, we can do something special. We can go z equals x plus y. Here we go, and then we take the x and the y out, and then we press z. Put z in there, and if when we compile it, hopefully it's the number 12. Here we go. So that's that, and you can do you can take away, or well, I'm not going to take away because it's going to be a minus number. You can times the two numbers together. So times and run 27. So you can pretty much do a lot, and hopefully by now you understand why we have these values, because they're used in all sorts of programs. So for example, you can have a program which I don't know, it's a robot in a factory that creates cars, for example, and it needs to manufacture a number of doors for each car. So a value, there will be a variable, an integer called doors, for example, which will have a value of 4 doors for one car, and if it's a smaller car, we'll have 2 doors, that kind of stuff. So the variables are used everywhere for everything, so they're very important. So in this lesson I just wanted to show you a couple of things you can do with variables here and there, just the basics, and in the next lesson we're going to expand the variables, but in the next lesson I'm going to show you how to actually input user generated commands. Okay, so hopefully you'll enjoy that, and I'll see you